8105 Ivy Hollow. This is on one of those streets where you can't park, and it's fairly narrow. It's an open door property. Probably want to paint this front door. Open door may remove this lock. If they do, we have to replace it with a deadbolt that matches. Need 2.5-inch faux blinds. I'm almost wondering if all of this flooring would be better to be ripped up. Then you put our normal flooring down, which is about $5 a square foot for tile. I'm thinking that because this is not a very good flooring job at all. And if you go ahead and make that initial investment, we'll have a pretty ideal property. Definitely need to clean some of this up. Maybe junk some of the pavers, or have a landscaper look at it and tell us what they can do without too much of an investment. These counters are laminate. Cabinets are looking better up top, a little rough on the bottom. A little bit of damage has been done to the cabinets at the countertop. But we have a space saver microwave. The backsplash is poorly installed as well. So we may want to install a backsplash and replace the counters with some granite. So the flooring looks not so great in here as well. Need a blind to go there. You might want to rip up this tile and make the flooring consistent throughout the whole property. I know it sounds like a lot of work, but this is where the washer and dryer go. But once it's done, you'll have a property that not only looks great, but should attract the kind of tenant that we're hoping for. Which is okay. So we have this glass panel. It says pantry on it. The walls are white. It looks like it could use a repaint. That's about $1.35 a square foot. The stairs look rough as well, as does this flooring upstairs, which transitions to another type of flooring. The loft itself is probably really useful, really nice to have. Could use some blinds. We have a closet rod and closet door guides. We have tile in here. It wouldn't be expensive to pull up this tile and put new tile down. On the second floor, we also need to install some type of hardy backer. This tile job is interesting as well. So it may be okay to keep it as long as there's no leaks. We need the property manager's opinion. Carpet looks fine. And then we have a different type of tile in here.